god, everybody scattered like a bunch of ants. Apparently, guys, people were spitting on the hood of the cop car. Look at that. From the rooftop.
Real daddy's girl that you'll never be good enough for. Okay, we're done. Cut the cameras.
I keep forgetting, my bad. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Right now, I'm about to pick up Nick, and then we're gonna go to the homie Nikon's house, and then we're gonna go to this night meet. So it should be pretty poppin'. As you can see, we're not in the GTS, and Nick's not in his F80. The GTS actually gets tires tomorrow, so stay tuned for the vlog on that. New tires for the GTS, Michelin Cup 2s. You already know we had to go with the tires that the car comes with, and yeah, so that should be fun. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna go to this night meet. Should be crazy. Shout out to California Cars, and so it's gonna be their little pop-up meet at a gas station, where the famous gas station where we always hang out. So we're just gonna roll with the homie Nikon and the M8, the frozen white M8, and hopefully we'll see some dope shit. And I don't know, there might be a cruise or something. So let's go. We're back again, G.
Vlogmas part 2.
Bro, I feel like it's been forever since I've seen you.
I know, too long.
Damn, bro. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, it's been a minute, but we might get Anita's.
I'm down.
Yeah.
Can I use this, sir?
You smell like
musty?
Like bathroom spray.
Probably.
Bro, what the
Bro. Kevin's charging my phone with his phone.
USB-C to lightning, G.
Bro, I didn't even know that was possible.
I didn't think it was possible. I just thought about it right now.
No way, bro.
All right, guys. Me and Nick, we had a little conversation of what might be the next move for him. But as you can see, we got the homie Nikon, the frozen white M8. I think we're gonna go get some gelato, and then we're gonna hit this car meet. All right, guys. We're back again at Anita's. I don't even know what to say, guys. We've been here so many times, it's ridiculous. We'll go with the coconut, and let me do the banana and date, and the pavlova. No way we're back here again, bro. How are we?
We got people.
And you gotta get the pavlova, because that's the best one. Damn.
I'll do a medium.
We hear too much, guys. We got the colon in. Damn, she's fine. All right, guys, we're on the way to the meet. Oh my, damn, Bear's car sounds crazy. Oh my. Guys, M8 Grand Coupe with CC. Oh god, here we're going to the tunnel. Okay. Woo. Oh my god. Sheesh. Where you going, smoker? Hey, just cut it, park right there, bro.
Suck it.
Bro, I'm already trapped, dog.
How's Eric at all the meets, G? What's up? What's up, G? Oh my, even the bikers came? Sheesh. No way. We got Airs M5, we got Beamers everywhere. It hasn't even started yet, guys, I'm telling you. This shit's about to be crazy tonight. A big homie Mike with the SVJ. Sheesh. Sheesh. With the ambers, rich. Sheesh, look at that wing though. Crazy. I see some Beamers, I can hear them. I see a Super over there. Bro, there's just gonna be way too many cars tonight. G80s, look, G82. Oh my. Clean 3 Series, G82s, E92 M3s, G80 M3s, Eiselman Green, black G82, sick E92. What's up, bro? Damn, this is a nice G80 right here. Satin gray with the red. Damn, that shit clean. So many BMWs and Mercedes. There's a couple of Benzes right here, as you can see. We got 2 Benzes. We got the bikers out. Someone pulled up in that Benz SL. It's a clean G80 right there with the yellow DRLs. It's like a satin gray colorish. Super nice. Damn, that's a clean color on the F80 with the yellow DRLs. Damn, what kind of colors? Is this champagne quartz? I think it is. Damn, this shit is nice. It's like purple but brown. That shit is fire. And you got the kids plate on there too. And performance exhaust. We got a BMW M2 competition. Very nice. M2 comp. Clean. We got the bike. That's pretty sick. We got another bike. Look at the 3 Series F30. Sheesh, with all the crystals. This is so sick. I swear, I wish I would have done this, guys. Oh my, there's even cars parked on the alleyway. No way, guys. We got a black G80 with white buckets. Damn. 2023, because you see that full screen. That shit hard. And we got the Supra with the little tree on top. And then we got the homie Andy's G80 M3. Oh, he got the BBSs on there. Rich. Shit's so sick. Damn, red.
You gotta do this.
Oh my gosh, bro. Rich. What's up, G? Oh my gosh, bro. Frozen white G80. Look at the individual one. Oh my gosh, bro.
White buckets on blue. You see that?
That's hard. That's hard.
God, this spec is
F90
hard.
M5?
What color is that?
Is that chalk gray? I don't think that's Nardo. That's chalk. Damn. This is clean.
This is the color I want
Nice.
for sure. Red or black?
Damn, that's a sick ass color. It's like a chalk gray, I think. That's sick. Bentley? Rich? Damn, this is a sick ass color, guys. Blue with white buckets? Damn. Rev it!
Rev it, G!
Rev it!
White pussy is red.
These are all losers. Let me rev it one time.
M4 drivers are not allowed in the M5.
You want me to sell you one?
Yeah, sell to Nikon.
Shit, that's a new CS.
Look at that. Damn. Rich.
Wow, yeah.
Ooh, that's just fire, bro.
GTA.
Lucky? I want to open it. I want to see it. Whose car is it? Is it yours? Yeah. Can I check out the interior? Let's check out the interior real quick.
Oh, this shit is crazy.
Damn, look at the animation in that.
I like that.
Bro, look at that.
Damn, that shit nice.
Look, check out the interior. Come.
See, now he's shitting on everybody.
Yeah, low key.
God damn. See,
Bro,
Appreciate one another.
that is really nice.
that's hard. Yo, cops.
One sec.
Cops!
I like the fat tire.
No, Enrique! All over.
What's that guy's name?
Oh my god.
That's your spec, G.
Hard.
Pretty thick. So you gotta make it look
Hard.
different.
Oh, he's got the lasers. Look at the taillights. Rich. What's good, bro? How are you? Just pull up anywhere, bro. Anywhere. You can park anywhere. It doesn't matter. It's a clean G80 right here. It had white bucket seats too. That's hard. Bro, you're setting the trends, G. Bro, cars just keep coming and coming, guys. Oh my God, bro. The cops came. All right, man. No way, bro. No way.
What happened?
Oh my God, look at that. 2 of them now, guys. Oh my God. Bro. No way they shut this shit down like this. Yeah, the one on Veteran. The Veteran one. Yeah. Tell him to make a U-turn. Yell at him. Tell him to make a U-turn. Yeah, the one on Veteran. Wilshire.
Hey, Nick!
Nick!
U-turn!
Oh my God. Bro.
How are they doing it in front of this car?
Damn, the plaid did. You saw the plaid? Tesla versus that M8, G. Look, satin black F90 M5. Alright guys, we made it to another famous parking structure where a lot of meets are hosted at too, but hopefully we can get kicked out of this spot. Alright guys, well, made it to the second spot. Let's see how long this spot will last. Wait, we hear the cops. Oh, there they go. Bro, they better not be coming here. That'll be so burnt. Bro, look at this Hellcat. Oh my God, bro. That's insane. Big homie Enrique made it.
M5.
What motor?
Regular, the V8 twin turbo.
I'm down.
Ooh, he's down.
Let's do it.
That's 68, I'm down.
No, S63. Yeah.
Sheesh. Gosh, there's so many cars, guys. That's a nice G80 right there. That's clean. F80 with the Christmas lights? Sheesh. Damn, E92 M3, Laguna Seca. What's up, bro? How are you? Good, how are you? Damn, this is so fire, bro. Oh my God, bro. This didn't even last like 10 minutes, bro. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. You want to let him drive?
No,
you want to let him drive?
When we get down either way.
Huh?
Bro.
Fucking Fergie. Yeah, big shout out to Crispy for the churros. Yeah. Big shout out to Crispy. Yes, sir. Apparently, guys, people were spitting on the hood of the cop car. Look at that. From the rooftop.
I've never seen Kevin cutting up like that.
Dude, for real!
You should have seen us going to BH2. You should have seen us.
He never cuts up like that. Yeah, you were cutting up at BH2.
No,
It was
dude,
god
you should have seen me in
awful.
BH2.
Traffic.
No, you should have seen me in BH2.
Rich? I gotta hear it.
Rich?
Bro, I
can't believe you drove out here.
You're crazy. Damn.
Where's your Dior's?
Hey, living in Irvine? Rich?
I'm slow.
F90 M5 versus
Hey,
GTR.
wait till I get a G80, then I'll race you.
Okay.
Hey, when you're ready for a change, come to me at first.
Where's your car,
Nikon. They stole the M8, G.
It's gone.
Damn.
Please listen to this.
I know, he's so dumb,
Go
bro.
back.
Why is he? Damn, all over you. Do it again, do it again. Do it. Just, you hold it, Hold it, let it go, let it go. Okay, again, let it go. Like that.
Okay, enough. Our dicks are fucking small. Stop it. We're Middle Eastern. Of course, we're spoiled daddy girl. I can't say it. Okay, one more time. Spoiled. I can't say the spoiled part. Okay, ready? Go. You have to say go. Little daddy's girl that you'll never be good enough for. Okay, we're done.
Sheesh, the homie Amir's G80. Shit, hella clean. Fucked him up, G. Fucked him up. Oh, tell you he's gonna try to race you.
Oh, I don't want to race him.
So annoying, bro.
Wait,
Don't record this.
Let him-
Fucking catch me talking shit in 4K. What are you doing?
I'll tell you when to floor it.
You have to shift it.
I will. I'll shift for her.
Do I just
No,
hit
don't
Go.
do it in the right lane, bro. Get out of the right
it? I
lane.
know.
Tell him to go in the left. Go the next lane over.
Shit, Kevin.
What? Oh shit, my bad. I keep forgetting, my bad. 1,
Kevin, shit.
2, 3.
What are you doing?
Wait, why are you shifting so early? What? She still got them. No. Oh my god. Who else is here? You'll gap him too. You'll gap him. I swear you will.
On the way,
Lord.
bro, I swear. I'm on the way.
All right, guys. Well, that was pretty fun. There's got some pulls. You scared her, G. You scared her.